Hello, and welcome to the first video in a set of videos, tutorial videos for MAPP assignment number 4. This is for the Speaker Systems Design and Optimization course at Husson University. And in this course, we learn Meyer Sound MAPP 3D loudspeaker prediction software, and that's what these assignments are all about. In this fourth MAPP assignment, you will enter a subwoofer array into your existing MAPP 3 file and MAPP 3D file from the Gracie Theater, and then you will use a loudspeaker processor, measurement mics, and the measurement viewer to cross over and time align both the mains and the subs. Through these activities in this assignment, you will learn more about MAPP operation, reinforce fundamental phase interaction principles, and practice critical system optimization workflows that we discuss and demonstrate throughout the course. So this is obviously a tutorial video. Please use it and follow along, and definitely get this PDF assignment. I'm putting them on YouTube available. There'll be a link below to a Dropbox site where you can get this PDF if you're following along. But for students, of course, you get this document and links to these videos from Canvas. Note that Meyer is always updating MAPP 3D, and these videos can get out of date. This is the 2025 video, but sometimes they can drift out of date relatively quickly. So I will do my best to update in the future, but if you see buttons that are differently in the software, forgive me. Getting started, we are working off of the file you created for MAPP 3D assignment number 3. That's where we took the Gracie Theater file that we drew in class and added 2 Meyer melody arrays to it. So please complete that assignment if you haven't already done so, and open up that completed MAPP assignment number 3 file, and we will build this assignment on top of that. And we want to name the new one MAPP for your name 01. And let's do that. Let's get that going here. So here's the file already. This is from the beginnings. This is leftover from MAPP assignment number 3. And let's save this project. And I've made a little folder on the desktop for this. Hello, that didn't quite work. Let's try that again. Save project as. And I'm going to save this. This is in my video build folder here, and you're going to save it as your name 01. So I'm Eric, so this is going to be MAPP for Eric 01. And I recommend the 01 is there because I would repeatedly, I'm doing a little typo fix here, I would repeatedly save regularly with new serial numbers 03, 04, 05, 06, because MAPP is kind of buggy and it can crash and you can lose your work. So it's nice to be able to go back to an earlier version of your assignment. A few other things to say before we dive in and get going. You're going to be doing a lot of predictions in MAPP in this and later assignments. The predictions can be kind of slow. You hit the predict button, and then you got to wait 30 seconds for the prediction to complete. Things that you can do to make that process faster, by all means, put your arrays in different layers. You can see how we have a mains left and mains right array. We're going to make a subwoofer array. Keep all your speaker systems on different arrays. Keep your seating planes like the orchestra and the balcony on different layers as well. So when you don't need to see a particular layer or see a particular speaker system, you can hide it, and then MAPP won't have to predict, won't have to do the math of the interacting loudspeakers you don't need to see, and that'll speed things up. Other things you can do, definitely lock your prediction planes. So lock, I don't have the stage locked right now. Oh, I do actually have it. Lock all these prediction planes, so MAPP predicts a lot faster when the layers are locked, so that's a good thing to do. And then lastly, another thing you can do is you can, and this doesn't make as dramatic of a change, but if you go to project settings and you go to appearance, you can mess with the mesh density, and this will speed up at least predicting something the first time. So right now I have it on mid density. Okay, so we're going to dive in a second and put in the subwoofer array, but here we go. I'll see you in a second in the next video. Goodbye.